Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Outlook version and updating the app so interface options appear. Once updated, restart Outlook and go straight to the View tab Desktop or Settings Gear, Web. You want to expose layout, reading pane, and message preview controls first. Make sure your mailbox is in a standard folder like Inbox so changes apply predictably. Now that the controls are visible, you can switch layout elements. This prepares Outlook to accept the classic-like configuration we'll apply next. Now recreate the classic layout by adjusting core layout options. From View, set folder pane to normal and choose reading pane right or bottom. This mirrors old 3-column setups. Disable conversation view so messages appear individually, and set message preview to one line or off to reduce visual density. Switch to single line or compact view depending on preference, and enable the status bar for message count and quick info. These combined changes produce a close approximation of Outlook Classic. Finish by saving your configuration. Go to View Settings and save current view so you can restore it easily. Once done, apply the view to other folders or make it default for the mailbox. If settings revert or don't stick, check for interfering add-ins and use the Reset View command. Restart Outlook. If problems persist, start Outlook in safe mode to isolate add-ins or repair the Office installation. One key tip: backing up custom views avoids repeat work if Outlook updates overwrite layout choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.